to Oxygen Daily, Oxygen Miner Daily combo for the 31st of August. And as you're logging in, you are greeted with your daily rewards. Always make sure you grab your daily reward. For me, this is day 4, get rewards. And the reward I have today is 1,000 oxygen. I know that where this will enter will be, it will enter the chest, that's the inventory box here. So it's there already. So we'll come back to the inventory box. So we will be using this as we are doing the combo. I'm also educating you on the things you need to know. So while you're here now, the first thing, let's look at, we have done the first daily task, which is to claim our daily reward. And my oxygen balance is 13,225, and the coefficient is now 0.034. Why? Because we have newer people here, 33 people, and the oxygen balance has increased. So if you do 33 over 13,226, if you can punch your calculator, you know what that will give you. If I can punch my calculator here from my, well, okay, let's leave that, please. Let's leave that one. Let's go ahead, and because I think it's about to confuse me now. Let's go ahead. Let's leave that first. Now let's do the very important one. Now let's go to the combo. You know, the combo, the third box here. After this is the inventory, this is the chest box, and this is the inventory box. So let's go to the inventory, chest, and then the combo box. Okay, so here we are now. The arrangement is very simple. We're going to rearrange. We're going to take 3 to number 1 here, and then we bring 5 to the middle at the top, and then 4 will go to the end there. And then the arrangement 1, 2, 6 is correct. So let's check, and we're going to get 5,000 food. Now, when you don't carry out these, congratulations, you see that? Okay, good. So our price will be dropped there now. So if you don't do the combo, you will be missing out. Look, let's check the inventory now. You see that we have 5,000 food added now. You see that? So that's what it does. So you've just done the combo, nothing much. So next thing you just want to do is to just check around to see we have done the daily reward. This is for the daily reward. If you want to do, this is the achievements, regular achievements, and so on. So you want to check this to be sure that you're also ranking well. And then you go over here to, this is a new game. This game, let's just, if you tap on it, just really load a bit. So you just make sure that you tap and don't allow that touch sheet. Don't allow, you see, I just got 2 points. So don't allow that touch. If you start all over again, let's just go one more time. Okay, so, okay. So anyway, so just learn to tap the game. If you want me to do it one more time, you can do it one more time because, okay. I got 4 now. All right, thank you very much. So let's go ahead and fix your daily combo, and let's see in the next. Remember to refer your friends and subscribe, of course, to get boosts. Let's see here. This way you can get boost. All right, so you can get boost here. All right, and price here now to get oxygen level 1 is 10,000 food. There's a price to get food now per hour here. To upgrade to 1050 per hour, the price is 6,300 oxygen. Do we have it? If you want to upgrade this now, we pay we pay to, if you want to upgrade to 1050 per hour, that's for food, we'll pay oxygen 6,300. If you want to get oxygen boost 1 level, we'll pay 10,000 food. So let's just check if we have that. We have 25,000 food. So let's go back again and do boost. So let's just do one level for each. Let's first of all get oxygen. All right, let's get oxygen first. Let's boost. All right, so we've upgraded that. So the next level upgrade will be 20,000. If you check here now, you see that we have increased our oxygen and our food balance has dropped. Next, now let's also upgrade our food. We'll pay oxygen with 6,300. Okay, and so that's successful too. If you want to make the next upgrade to level 8, we're going to pay 7,200 oxygen. And if you check here now, our food has increased. Okay, so let's go to the inventory. So let's claim from our inventory. Let's open our box. The only thing we won't be able to open here now. So the booster now is here. The booster is here. We have food is here. Then we see, I think we have 3 boxes here to open. So let's quickly open this one now so that we can go to our inventory and take it. These are boxes rather that we have open. We have 1,000 oxygen. Okay. And then we also, let's check if we can get 5,000 food for the remaining box. We have under 1,000 oxygen. Okay. So meaning we can buy more food with our oxygen, increasing our levels. 1,000 oxygen again. So we have exhausted the box. So we didn't, if any day you don't exhaust your box, it will remain for you. Do you understand? If you don't exhaust the box, it will remain like that. So until the following day. All right, but if you exhaust it tomorrow, we'll have additional. You can see now we're going to go to the inventory. The inventory here, we have oxygen 1,004, and we also have food 5,001. Resurrector 2, there's no one dead, so we can't use that. So let's get the food first, use it. Okay, then let's use up all the oxygen, because we want to use them to buy more food so that there will be no food lacking in the ecosystem. Okay. We're not sending it to anybody. Okay, good. We've exhausted that. So we now come back. You can see we have 10,788 oxygen and 20,000 food. So let's go again and do some boosts before we go. So here now we can pay for oxygen 7,000 and pay and upgrade oxygen by 10%. Before you do that, check. We have 3 people and 20,000 food. Will it be enough for them? I guess it will be. So oxygen will also mine more. So let's just boost both sides. So we'll pay 20,000 food and then we'll buy more oxygen. So let's buy more oxygen first. So let's upgrade by 10%. Okay, beautiful. So we now check again. We now have 900. This 900, will it be enough for 3 people? No. Let's now use our oxygen to boost that. So let's now what that happens there is that the oxygen is now mining at a faster rate for us, right? So meaning that it won't be long, it will boost up again. So let's just pay 7,200 to get more food upgraded to have more 10,000, 1,050 per hour. So let's just upgrade by 1,200 now per hour from 1,050 per hour. So, and that's taken care of. So we go. So now if you overdo it, that's when you now have people dying. Okay. So meaning that within an hour, we have 1,200 food added, which we are not, because remember that one person here gets half 0.5 food per 30 minutes, meaning that in 1 hour, so in 30 seconds rather, in 30 minutes, 0.5 food. So with what we have here, in 30 minutes, we have 33 people, utilizing 0.5 food. So they'll be using 16.5 in 30 minutes. Okay. So, and meaning that will be enough for them and would have gathered more because we have increased the rate of oxygen mining and the rate of food gathering. All right, I hope this makes some sense to you. This is both the combo and the tutorial for you today. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave a comment. Which area would you have me talk about next in our next combo? Thank you and God bless you.